The inside of your car can get pretty dirty, especially if you have pets in the house or if you have kids who like to get a little messy. If you don't regularly wash or clean the inside of your car, it can build up all kinds of nasty stuff, from dust and pollen to dead bugs and food crumbs. To avoid this, you need the help of a good car brush. A good car wash brush is one of the first your heart will grow fond of. It'll help you work through the gunk without being rough enough to tear into your paint. Suitable for cleaning the windows, headlights, and grille, car wash brushes are a great way to clean your car's exterior and interior. 1. Eversprout Car Wash Brush. The Eversprout Car Wash Brush has numerous features that make it worthy of your time and hard-earned money. When you use this brush on your car, you won't be complaining about irritating scratches and marks because its bristles are soft on your car's exterior and won't cause any damage. Overall, you can safely say that it's scratch-resistant. Even the head of the brush won't bump into your car because of its protective guard. 2. Dokazu Car Wash Brush. This soft bristle brush from Doka has an extension pole that provides up to 12 feet of reach, though you can collapse the pole down to 5 feet when you don't need the extension. It features flocked synthetic bristles for maximum softness, which continue around the brush head in a 5-sided angled design for the best range and maneuverability when cleaning your vehicle. The wraparound design also protects your car from accidentally getting damaged while cleaning with bumpers around the edges. 3. Wantolf 62-inch Car Wash Brush with long handle. The Wantolf 62 inches Car Wash Brush Kit is the perfect gift for car enthusiasts as it includes all the necessary tools for efficient car cleaning. The kit includes 4 aluminum poles, 2 microfiber mitts, 1 windshield squeegee, 1 microfiber duster, and 1 microfiber towel. The microfiber chenille mitt is machine washable and absorbent, while the squeegee ensures streak-free drying. 4. Ordinado 62-inch Car Wash Brush Kit. The kit includes a car wash mop with 4 aluminum poles that can be assembled into 27, 48.4, or 62 inches lengths, making it easy to clean different heights without stretching, bending, or twisting. The sturdy connection design ensures the brush won't retract or stretch at will, and the 2-in-1 chenille scratch-free car wash mitt is flexible for use as a sponge or rag. The no-rust car cleaning kit is made of premium material and has wide applications for washing, drying, waxing, dusting, and polishing vehicles or household items. 5. Eneon 51-inch Car Wash Brush. The Eneon 51-inch Car Wash Brush comes with a detachable design and a 51-inch lightweight aluminum alloy rod that avoids stretching, bending or twisting. The 10-inch soft bristles made of high-quality PVC filaments will not leave scratches and will not be deformed while being soft. The car wash brush connectivity also comes with an adapter with water switch on, off, which can be attached to a garden hose in 2 methods. 6. Luckley Jones 17-inch Wheel and Tire Brush. This kit includes a 17-inch long-handle tire brush and 5 different sizes of car detailing brushes. The long-handle tire brush is perfect for reaching deep into the inner wheel and spoke without scratching any rims. The feathered ends of bristles deliver safe and gentle cleaning, and the heavy-duty non-slip short handle provides the perfect grip.